The future of ETL processes in big data management. Shift to ELT, extract, load, transform. ELT flips the traditional sequence. It loads raw data into data lakes or cloud storage first, then transforms it as needed. This approach uses modern platforms, like Hadoop, and cloud services, like Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery, for transformations. Real-time data processing. Organizations increasingly demand real-time insights to support dynamic decision-making. Tools like Apache Kafka, Flink, and Spark Streaming enable near real-time ETL data pipelines. Serverless and cloud-native ETL. Cloud platforms like AWS Glue, Azure Data Factory, and Google Dataflow offer serverless ETL. They minimize infrastructure management. These tools scale with workload demands. ETL for unstructured data. The rise of unstructured data has spurred innovation in ETL processes. They now handle formats like JSON, XML, and even multimedia. ETL pipelines are now using machine learning algorithms. Automation and AI-driven ETL. Automation tools are revolutionizing ETL processes by reducing manual intervention. AI tools like Talend, Informatica, and Alteryx use ML. They detect patterns, suggest transformation rules, and optimize workflows. Challenges facing ETL in big data. Data quality and governance. The vast amount and variety of data can cause errors. It may lead to inconsistencies and duplicates. Data quality and compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA are getting harder. Integration complexity. Big data ecosystems often involve multiple platforms, each with unique integration requirements. Building ETL pipelines that connect seamlessly across these platforms demands advanced technical expertise. Cost management. Real-time processing and cloud solutions can be expensive. This is true with growing data volumes. Organizations must carefully manage resources to balance performance and expenses. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of ETL processes in big data management is dynamic and promising. ETL is evolving to meet the demands of modern data ecosystems.